Password Strength Checker. Create a password strength checker tool that evaluates the strength of a user's password based on criteria such as length, complexity, and uniqueness. The tool should provide feedback on the password's strength and suggest improvements if it is weak. Skills required: Python programming, string manipulation, regular expressions, cybersecurity best practices. Phishing email analysis tool. Develop a tool that analyzes email headers and content to detect phishing emails. The tool should use natural language processing to identify suspicious phrases and domains, alerting users to potential phishing attempts. Skills required: Python programming, email parsing, NLP. Network port scanner. Build a network port scanner that allows users to scan a target IP address or hostname for open ports. The tool should display the open ports and the services running on each port. Skills required: Python programming, network socket programming, network scanning.